Joel McHale and Sarah Silverman are proof hilarious minds also think alike. Joel and Sarah were part of the huge wave of celebs at Cadillac's pre-Oscars bash Thursday night at the famed Chateau Marmont on the Sunset Strip. They both stopped to hang with fans, signed some autographs and dropped some self-deprecating humor. Tiffany Haddish had some fashion tips for Oscar weekend, but honestly, as soon as we hear her voice, we wanna crack up. Margot Robbie, Krista B. Allen, Will Arnett, Marissa Tomei, Allison Janney and many more get some FaceTime in this video. Bonus: Sam Rockwell's dog dropping a deuce. It doesn't appear Sam or his pup were attending the party.